Gadzooks, what in the world would we do if we had to start over? If we lost everything today, what in the world would we do? Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You want to know something? We're going to help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's the Dropshipping Terminator. Me and my partner, the Dan of Steel. We talk all about that Amazon life, baby, that Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, just dropshipping in general, e-commerce, entrepreneur type stuff, man. You guys know. So, that sounds good to you. You guys know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Do it! Just do it! What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it!
Get into the free Facebook group below and be part of the fam. Because you ain't part of the fam unless you in there. Alright? So all you regulars, man, you know what time it is. It's time to get into it. So, what would we do if we lost everything today? Alright, so sometimes we get these questions. We're like, what would you do if you had to start over from scratch? What in the world would you do? Look. If we had to start over today, if we lost everything, that includes our jobs, everything, we're going to give you guys this scenario and tell you our exact steps that we would take to get back to square one and beyond. Because at that point, we might as well just be square zero because we lost everything. So, first and foremost, if we get to keep all the skills that we've amassed over these last 10, 15 years, yo, we good. We're in a very good position. But let's go ahead. Let's knock this out. So, we lose everything. Everything. We lose our jobs, Amazon, you know, the rental property, we lose all the monies, everything. Bank accounts drained, we lose everything, cars, house, all that stuff, okay? First order of business, all right? This is like a severe drought at that point, but whatever. First order of business, go and get a job.
Fuckity fuck fuck.
All right, go and get a job. Doesn't matter what job, go and get a job. Now, obviously, I'm a software engineer. Obviously, Dan is a network engineer. So we would be able to parlay those skills and get a better paying job than most people. We wouldn't have to go bust tables like some of your gurus would if they lost everything. So in our case, we'd be very fortunate. Now, chances are, let's say, you know, I had to take any job. You know, I might have to take like a $75,000 or $80,000 a year job just to grab something quick, make ends meet. You know, I couldn't be picky, couldn't be like, yo, I want 110, 120, I want to keep my lifestyle. Just boom, 70, 80K right out, you know, whatever. So get a job first and foremost. But while I'm working that job, while I'm sitting there, you know, collecting money, doing what I got to do, I'm going to be handling all my other side things. I'm going to be flipping stuff on Craigslist right and left, right? Okay, so I'm going to be going to the free section of Craigslist. I'm going to be finding items. I'm going to be relisting them before I even go get them, getting those free items, and boom, giving them off to the new buyers, all right? Taking free items, relisting them for money, making cash, all right? Then once I have enough capital, once the money rolls in from the job, money starts coming in from flipping, I'm gonna move over to cell phone flipping, okay? Generally, my cell phone flipping is done on Craigslist and Swappa. Preferably Swappa just because it's easier. There's no face-to-face interactions. I don't have to worry about it, okay? I would go to Craigslist, find the cheapest iPhones and Samsung Galaxies because those sell the best, and then because people, they always overextend themselves. They always buy these brand new iPhones and they don't even have washing machines in their houses. Like, it makes no sense, but whatever. I don't care because I'm getting a deal. I'm gonna buy those and list them on Swappa, start making money, you know, make $100, $200 a pop, right? Take that money, all right? So still flipping, take that money. I'd probably even be tuning cars because that's what I do. That's what I've done for a long time, for years and years and years and years. That's one of my other skills. You know, I'd be doing low-end tunes, full bolt-on cars, you know, Evos, Subarus, specifically, maybe in a couple GTRs, for like anywhere from $350 to $500. I do a few of those throughout the month just to get more capital. Once I built up enough capital, $1,500, $2,000, I would get right back into the Amazon game. Okay, but while I'm doing all this, I'd be documenting, guys. I would start another YouTube channel. I would document everything that I'm doing so that way people could see the process, so you guys could understand, hey, this is how you go from start to finish. This is how you're going from broke to making $100,000 again. Okay, I'd be documenting everything. I'd be tuning cars. I'd take that money, I get right back into the Amazon game. I get back into private label drop shipping because I wouldn't have the capital needed to get into wholesaling like we're doing now. You know, private label drop shipping, get back to finding products that sell real well. Boom, convert those over to my FBA listings. And while all this is going on, I would still have started another Amazon business. I'd have an LLC. I would reach out and trademark that, right? Because you want registered brand status. You want a trademark business so you can get registered brand status, so you can have an Amazon storefront, which in turn keeps people from jumping on your listings and makes you look more professional. So there's that. Then once the money started rolling in from that, I'd start getting into wholesaling, guys, because it's just easier, it's quicker, and the upside is that you don't have to worry about it as much. You get tons of certificates of authenticity, so you never have to worry about anything when it comes to that. You can get bigger bulk orders, generally cheaper, boom, done, gone. Those items are going to sell very, very well. Okay, they're going to sell very well no matter what. Now, while all this Amazon stuff is going on, I still know all of my Facebook ad skills, right? So I'm still working my day job, you know, to put a roof over me and my kid's head, to, you know, get some form of transportation going. I'm still flipping stuff on Craigslist, probably not near as much at this point because I got capital coming in from Amazon and these other ventures. Probably still tuning a couple cars on the weekend just to make ends meet, you know, get that money up. Probably still flipping a couple phones here and there on Swapper, you know, making a little extra money to keep things going, to build up more so I could do more wholesaling on Amazon. And, you know, pay whatever things I need to. I'd still document on YouTube because I would have a new YouTube channel. Obviously, there would be an Instagram and Facebook as well. And then I would be running Facebook ads. Now, I would get into the affiliate marketing game just because it's almost free money. Now, at your level, affiliate marketing can pretty much be free. At my level, not so much, okay? Once you know Facebook ads and you know how landing pages work and all that stuff, then you are no longer going to be going the free route. You're actually going to be working. You're going to be hustling. So now that I got money coming in, I could start branching off to affiliate marketing. I would sign up for ClickFunnels so I could build landing pages, things like that. That way I can get the ClickFunnels affiliate links, and then I would start working on other things like the Swappa affiliate links. I'd work on Amazon affiliates. So that way I could promote on social media as well as promote on, you know, paid promotions through my landing pages and things of that nature. Okay, Facebook ads, extremely powerful. They're getting more expensive. Yes, this is true. But once you have them set up, you start whittling down your audience, you start targeting the right people. They pretty much run on autopilot, and you'll be able to generate some cash flow from that, okay? So now I got my affiliate marketing things going. I got the Amazon business humming along. I'm still flipping a little bit here and there, tuning some cars here and there. You know, everything's going really well. And then, you know, I would probably, you know, end up coaching people on how to do it. I'd probably, you know, start off small, because you can't do it at scale. When you're trying to do all these different things at once and you haven't perfected any of them, it's gonna be very difficult to take the time to coach. I'd probably do, you know, some one-on-one coaching, maybe some mentorship, stuff along those lines. All right, and there you guys go. Like, that is exactly what I would, you know, do to go from, you know, broke to, you know, where we're at now. And once, you know, the capital started coming in, I would start doing more passive investments, you know, getting into like real estate, putting money away into the stock market, things like that, things that are going to continuously make me money down the line. Now, this is obviously like a worst case scenario, but that's how I would go about doing it. There would be no like, oh, I'm just going to read a buttload of books and blah. No, that's dumb. When people say like, if I lost everything today, I'd start reading this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and I'd be enriching in my mind. Like, if you lost everything today, guys, like, your first inclination is not to go read a book. Your first inclination is to make money. You guys would have to go get a job, okay? Doesn't matter what kind of job it is, gotta go get a job because you gotta make money. You have to have money so that way you can provide for yourself while you get your side hustle going, okay? Your side hustle can eventually turn into your side business, which can eventually turn into your main business. But you need to have a job so that way you can start the side hustle, so that way the side hustle can grow into an actual business. You know, you guys are going about it backwards. You guys are like, I don't want a job. You know, you're trying to get rid of the job to do a side hustle that isn't even a full-fledged business yet. You can't do that. So you guys are setting yourselves up for failure. If you were trying to be successful, you gotta start at ground zero. You gotta build your way up. Have that job. It's cool to have a job, man. Don't let nobody tell you ain't cool to have a job. That's how you're gonna pay your bills. That's how you're gonna keep a roof over your head. That's how you're gonna survive. Have your side hustle or multiple side hustles. Run them things, make money, document, guys. Document what you're doing. Document on social media. Social media is extremely powerful. You can reach a ton of people who will resonate with what you're doing. All right. Build your audience. Once you build that audience, then you can start working with them. You can say, hey, look, man, this is what I've been doing. I can help you with that. You know, I was able to make $100,000 from start to finish in like a year. I can teach you how to do the same thing. We can work together. We can make that happen. All right? Don't sit there and be like, I don't know what to do. I'm going to twiddle my thumbs. Because it's stupid. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of effort. You guys don't have to agree with me, but that's how I would do it. That's how I go back, you know, to making money. It'd be a rough process, probably take a couple years, but it's doable. You know, nothing comes easy, nothing comes free. That's what it is. So, except for the Chromebooks that we give our students, they come free. Plug. But anyway, guys, man, make sure you guys get the links below, man. You already know what to do. You already know about the webinar. You guys already know about the ebook, the free Facebook group that you guys should probably be in. And if you're not, you're messing up. So, yeah. That being said, man, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Be safe, be smart. Peace out.